Hi viewers, welcome back. We are going to the second week of pregnancy where there is a lot of changes that is going to happen and which is going to decide the success of your pregnancy. You must remember that your pregnancy has not started yet and you are technically not pregnant till now. As I said earlier, now it is very important your body is ready to ovulate. The endometrium is growing thick to create a soft bed to receive the zygote if formed successfully. By the end of this week, that is on the 14th day, the ovulation occurs and a matured egg is released into the fallopian tube. The lifetime of an egg is 12 to 24 hours, whereas the life of a sperm is 4 to 5 days. So, there must be an physical contact at least on the alternate days to have a successful conception. So, if there is an intercourse on the alternate days, the sperms are always available to fertilize the matured eggs as soon as it is released. You know, there is always only one winner for a match. Similarly, out of millions of sperms waiting, only one will penetrate the wall of the egg and enters inside the egg. As soon as the fusion of the gametes takes place, the sex of the baby is decided. If the X chromosomes exist in the sperm, you get a girl baby, and if the Y chromosome exists in the sperm, you get a boy baby. As this is too early, there may not be any symptoms during this second week. Even though there is no physiological changes that is related to pregnancy, there are changes in the cervical region which shows you are ready to become pregnant. The cervix becomes high, soft and slightly opened. The cervical mucus, which was thick, sticky and creamy, becomes little thin. And as the days increase, it becomes more thin and watery like the egg white to allow the sperm survive and swim easily to reach the eggs that is released. This is the reason why there is an increased sexual drive during these days of ovulation to increase the chances of conception. As you are planning for a pregnancy, you should take nutritious diet from day 1. So try to take more amount of nutritious diet with micro and macronutrients with increased amount of folic acid in the food. Try to practice yoga and relaxation techniques which will keep your mind and body relaxed. You can also meditate and listen to music which make you calm and relaxed. That's it for the week 2. Hope this was interesting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.